Hey, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series on Ryobi tools. As you can see, I've already opened this up because I had to charge the battery. But here we have the Ryobi LED flip light kit, part number FVL52K. Let me turn it over so I can read it a lot better, a lot easier. 500 lumens, 3 modes, low, medium, high, magnetic. It can connect to a 2x4, 2x6, whatever. Wind and water resilient. Runtime approximately 24 hours. And then of course that's going to be with the battery on low. What's on the back of this package? There we go, nothing really important here. Anyway, I guess I could have opened it up right here where these tabs are at, but I didn't. I cut it open. Go ahead and take this out. Put this back on there. Now, since I've opened it, I have already lost the green paper that comes with every one of these Ryobi tools. It explains about the benefits and the warranties and that kind of stuff. It takes the 2 amp battery, or it comes with a 2 amp battery, and from what I understand there's a 3 amp available. Here is the Type-C charging port. There we go. About the size of a lighter. Flat on one side, so it has easily loading capacity right here. Go ahead and put that cap back on. And I believe it says on the package the 21-inch charger cable. And like I said, it's a USB-C. Here's the light itself. On and off switch back here in the back. We have a high, medium, low, and off. Okay. Here's the stand. Hold it up. You can set it at different angles, of course. There we go. And right here is a 2x, and on the back where the stand is where it will clip onto a 2x. Very nice feature to have. I won't be using that as much as I will just setting it on a desk or a metallic work surface, because it has 2 magnets on the back. There we go. I like this thing. I like this thing a lot. 500 lumens, plenty for what I'm going to use it for. And it looks like you could even clip this to your shirt pocket right here and hang it out your shirt pocket, which would be a nice little thing to have. Your work coat, maybe your jacket pocket, coat pocket, snap it onto there. You have a walking night light. If you have a animal you need to walk, or just go out to your workshop or your shed or your barn. Very nice tool. I like it a lot. Rubber overmold. Has these little indentions right here for your fingers to open it up very easy. I like it. I like this thing a lot. So, let's see what this thing looks like at night. And after that we'll come back, give my final conclusion. Here I am outside in the front yard. There's the front light that's in my front yard. Neighbor's house across the street. There we go. I'm going to walk to my vehicle. On my Grand Caravan over here. My truck that's next to it. You can see how dark it is. So, there we go. Turn the light on. There we go. Not a bad light at all. Let's try it over here. There we go. Not bad at all. I'm pleased with it. Put it on the door of my truck. Yep. Go back here. Put it on the tailgate. No issues. Anyway, not a bad flashlight here. I'm pleased with it. I like it. And I'm going to get a lot of use out of this thing. Okay, I'm back. Okay, here I am back. As you could see earlier, fits very easily to the side of your car if you have a flat tire, or if you just need to go for a walk or anything. Very, very good. It will snap up to the hood of your car, give plenty of light down below. Gonna be a very, very, very used thing in my collection. It has 10 LEDs lights right here in the front. So, if you have one of these, let us know how you like yours. Let us know how you use it. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.